What's up? We're down here in Texas and we're here for Cleetus Cars. This is Friday night, doing a test and tune tonight, and we've got the Unicorn we're gonna go do some test hits in. Last time I raced it was here in October for Cleetus Cars. So I'm gonna go hop in the Unicorn, I'm gonna do some hits and get ready for tomorrow.
1004 ain't bad.
Yeah, it like lost power after the launch. It's almost like it didn't have enough boost or something.
Oh man.
It was fun to drive, that's for sure. Every time I don't drive this thing for a few months, the 60 foot right on the launch is like, okay, we're back.
Hold on, right?
Yep, I love it.
Oh man, good to be back, right?
Yeah.
You checking Kyle's tires for him? It's awfully nice of you, Cletus.
And then we'll hit the brakes.
Out here trying to freaking set some records, you know?
That's right, 8 seconds or
Put these
plus.
in your pocket.
Okay.
I don't want to be the one
You can sell these on eBay for money. Cletus
Are
touched them.
these off of the 1320 mobile?
They are.
Those are worth $1 million.
Back in the lanes for the second test pass tonight. The first hit, first, second, third, right going into third, the spark plug wire popped off. So it started breaking up third and fourth gear. That's no good. Lost a lot of power there. The launch felt good. It still bounced a little bit off the launch, so James was looking at the suspension and loosen it up a little bit. We'll see how that does. And we're just gonna send it again.
Seven.
Whoa! Nice! Yeah, we worked with that. Hell yeah, brother!
Definitely gonna be my new best ET, I know that for sure. I'm gonna guess a 9.6. That felt really, really good. But
Making sure you had a cage that did.
oh yeah, thank you. Well, if I need a cage, that's a good sign. Actually, that's 1150, but oh shit, is that me? 947, 153. Oh yeah, we're in business. Hell yeah.
Awesome.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
That's way better. 947, 153.
Hell yeah.
I'm excited.
And I mean, he didn't really turn it up, so there's probably a lot we can use.
I just needed to get a good clean pass down, so I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
Dude, your shifts were perfect. I was like,
yeah.
I heard the 3-4 pop and then keep going. I was like,
Yep.
yes!
So I just need some more pound on the top end. Hey!
Been sitting for a minute.
That was
Congrats.
Thank you.
It's
I knew
personal
it was gonna be good. I didn't think it'd be that good. And it was only 20 pounds, so we got plenty more power to go.
The launch was good.
Yeah.
And it was just your shifts were smooth all the way through.
Hell yeah.
So we knew it'd be a number. Was it 947 at what mile per hour?
153.
153. Nice.
He's probably like, oh.
Well, I'm not sure what happened there. I launched it, felt okay, spun a little bit, and shifted into second, and then like middle of second, it just like hit a wall, like it didn't want to make any power. And I heard Chad talking about boost cut, and they turned the boost up. Boost cut was set at 29, So that was boost cut. We were making a lot of power there.
We set off the car alarm. We set off like 5 car alarms! What did you do?
For about a year, ever since we put it on the car. That was pretty cool. Now we gotta pack the damn thing though. $660. Thank you. All right. $945. Not bad. So I shaved 2/100ths off my personal best. Day 2 here in Houston, and this is the main event. We're at Cleetus Cars. We've got over 100 cars in the lanes here, drag racing. Got the Unicorn back out here. Ran a 945 last night, and we've got her turned up from last night. Gonna hopefully get a clean pass in right now. Maybe see a 930 out of it if I can do my job. We got Boosted Boys out here. Got the Wago van. Got one of the NA cars. Sketchy Bird's back out. It's gonna be a fun day. 943 for Kyle. Hell yes. You know, last night felt really good. That felt really good. I had to have gotten a little bit off my ET here. I don't know what it is yet, but we're about to find out. What up? Thank you. 940. What number am I? 751. 943. So I took another 100th or 2 off. 154 miles an hour.
Woo! Taking me to Applebee's.
We had almost identical ETs.
Did we? I didn't even see my
That's good, right? Yeah, it was like a slip. It'd have been fun. It was like a 42 and a 43.
You were pulling me on the big end. Like I was like, oh, maybe I'll reel him. And like I shifted into third. I'm like, yeah, maybe not. You're like,
that was a fun race.
It was. Good job.
Congrats again. You knocked a couple another 100ths off your best. You're getting there.
It felt quicker than that, but
what was
it's probably just because it's daytime. You actually see what the hell's going on.
What was our times?
It was like a 940,
and I think you had a 45 maybe.
Jeez, like so close.
Yeah, you guys are pretty damn close, honestly. Yeah. Especially for a stick car and an auto car. Mm-hmm. It's crazy you guys are that close.
Yeah.
Did you turn it up at all a little bit, or
no, it's the same as last night. We just want to make sure everything's good because we weren't able to log. The cable stopped working, so.
Gotcha.
Stopped by Best Buy and got a new one.
So go turn it up and run 8?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
You got to go run an 8 before Cletus does. How's that?
Yeah.
There you go. That's the new goal.
Oh my gosh, the car is right here next in line to race, and they're pulling all the cars off. an unnamed person with a Honda from Colorado oiled down the right lane, and they got it cleaned up just in time for it to start sprinkling. And now it's too humid, they can't get the track dry and safe for cars like this. But thank you to everyone that helped me out this weekend, especially Chad, because Chad was taking vacation this weekend and he decided to come to the track and help me out. So thank you, Chad, always there for me. And Cletus, James, Cooper, Boosted Boys, all here to help me run quicker and quicker in the car, and I had a blast. Every time I come to the drag strip, it's like 3 or 4 months in between, whether we're fixing something or, you know, it's been ice and snow back home for months. And it's just really good to get my confidence back and race it again. So I hope to race it in a few weeks and just be right back where I was. Thank you for watching the Unicorn Vlog as always, and we'll see you guys next time.